Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer your Apple Pay cash to your bank. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, make sure that your iPhone or iPad has the latest version of iOS and add an eligible debit card in the Wallet app. Then make an instant transfer. First, go to your card info. On iPhone, open the Wallet app. Tap your Apple Cash card, tap the More button, then tap Transfer to Bank. On iPad, open the Settings app, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap your Apple Cash card, then tap Transfer to Bank. Next, enter the amount and tap on Next. After that, tap Instant Transfer. If you haven't added an eligible debit card, tap Add Card and follow the instructions on your screen to add a MasterCard or Visa debit card. Tap Transfer. Then tap to select the debit card that you want to transfer funds to and select the billing information for your chosen debit card. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.